So here we have our meat. This is for the egusi and this is for the draw soup. So we'll have them, just finish adding spice. So I'm just going to allow this cook for a while, say for 2 to 3 minutes. Cool. Let's see how our meat is doing overall. Okay, you can see there's still some water. Good. So we feel like to go for some wow. So at this point I'm going to add some water so our meat doesn't burn. Okay, water level is raising now. So it's going to cook for a while and then I'll add my palm oil. Meanwhile, I'm ready to pound my pepper. Time to put our red oil, palm oil. It has been burning for some time now. So I'm going to add palm oil. Ogbono with ogbe and crayfish. So I'm going to pour it into this mixture and cover to cook for a while. So this style I'm using for this egusi soup might actually be a different style, like from what you guys might know. But this is like the easiest style. This easiest way my mom taught me how to do it. After going to the market, spending the whole day in the market, coming back, you just want to cook this, sharp but mad soup. So this is what we're doing today. So our egusi is boiling, and so is our okro or our draw soup. So I'm going to stir this now, stir nicely, thoroughly. And close it again to just cook for a while before I get to taste for seasoning. So guys, I'm checking for seasoning and then I'm just correcting everything and then I'm just going to add throwing my leaf and then I'm done. So as you can see, it is quite fast and easy to prepare. So our egusi is ready and I'm going to put my leaf. And then this is good. Everything that I'm pouring my okro here, my chopped okro is washed and chopped. I'm trying it inside now. It's nice to handle food before. Like first of all, I'm sweating like mad first of all then. And I'm having to do with all of this. Trust me, it takes some level of courage and talent to do this. So I'm just going to bring this down because you don't need to cook it, there's still not that much. Once you put it, just turn it. You're good.
Guys, our ogbono soup is looking good already. I hope this gets talk. I trust my husband.
Honestly, they get to taste better than they look.
Really?
Yeah. Matter of fact, like anybody who has had my food, just ask the person. Anybody who has eaten my food, ask the person. Does it look better than the taste? Like does it taste better than it looks? Just tell you yes. Because that I'm very, very, very sure.
Okay, I'll test it and see. I trust you, Chef.
Shark?
Shark?
Yeah, it's sure something. Like this is ready as well, so you see. Everything. We are my stew. Everything is soup actually today. So you can enjoy it either of this soup with pounded yam, you can enjoy it with semo, you can enjoy it with gari, or even fufu, as you may please. But please today, I think there isn't gari.
Yes.
So stay with us and watch us eat the delicacy, sweet delicacy.
We're not cooking, guys, so trying to clear up once I'm done, then I'll make gari because we are eating the soup with gari. I have something planned out for Maurice, so I want to prank him, okay, by telling him that his food tastes horrible, like the taste is trash. I'm hoping he doesn't get upset and he reacts calmly because he's a calm person, but we'll see how it goes. So let me just round up and I'll make the curry and we will eat. Isn't that perfect? Perfect.
Let's dig in and see. Taste and confirm. I know it tastes better than it looks.
Really?
So, yeah, very, very sure.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh my god.
Did you put salt?
No, there's no salt. There's pepper.
So the way it tastes odd. Why are you laughing? I'm serious.
I know you're very serious. This is very bad.
Like, is this... No, seriously. No, seriously, this is the way it tastes.
How?
You're asking me like how?
I don't know.
It has this... Did you use bitter leaf inside?
Bitter leaf?
Yeah, there's this
How
flavor.
can bitter leaf inside draw soup?
I don't know, but it has this bitter taste.
Bitter taste?
Yeah.
This is one, let's see.
And again, it's as if the Maggi is much.
This is one, let's see.
It has this bitter taste. It has this... I don't know, it tastes as if Maggi is much inside.
First of all, it's not possible.
It's not possible. What do you mean? I'm testing except you gave me... Except you're trying to like...
It's not possible, like I'm very, very sure. I can't, like, there are things I can't go bad on. And that's one of it.
This does not taste good at all.
Use your tongue.
My tongue.
I'm very sure of it, like, I'm very sure of it. No cap.
I'm not eating, like,
Food taste, like, no cap.
I'm done. It doesn't taste good.
Okay, let me continue. Let me continue. I'll help you, don't worry.
I'm telling you it doesn't taste good. You should test my food to see how it tastes. It doesn't taste good. Okay. Oh, what are you doing here? You're not going to tell me something or what? I'm telling you it doesn't taste good. Won't you beg me to eat?
Well, you know the origin of something. You know, practice it. Your life to just go.
Actually tastes good. I was just trying to prank you. So you didn't fall.
I know what I put there.
Whatever. I thought you were going to fall for it though. So you know yourself.
Most times I cook and then I don't even taste it. I get to sell it. So imagine the confidence of cooking something and then selling to somebody and then you don't taste it. Well, I actually got that from my mom.